What's up? Today's sign of the day is the days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, I've kind of seen everywhere, but there are places that are different on their Thursdays and Sundays. So if you know it differently, it doesn't mean I'm wrong or you're wrong. It's just different. So do not worry, okay? Monday is M. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, I've learned TH. Thursday, I did see some people like move the H in a circle, but I do TH. Thursday, Friday is an F. Saturday is an S. And then Sunday, I learned like this. Sometimes people go like this. And then I think something around the chin. So it can be different. It's regional. That's why it's important to connect with your deaf community, your local one. So yeah.